The latest addition to Garmin's elite lineup is finally here, introducing a high-performance smartwatch that's redefining what athletes should expect from their gear. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner, a triathlete in training, or just someone serious about optimizing your workouts, this new release promises to deliver. From the moment you see it, the new Garmin watch makes an impression. It's modern and stylish, but still retains that sporty toughness. This isn't a casual accessory for counting steps, it's built for people who push themselves. Lightweight and tough, it's designed for endurance and intensity, ideal for everyone from beginners with big goals to veteran athletes. Style doesn't take a backseat either. With a slim, durable aluminum frame, the device is water-resistant, sweat-proof, and tough enough to resist scratches. The display is sharp and colorful, easy to read even in bright sunlight. And despite its power, it's comfortable enough to wear through long training sessions even while you sleep. Under the hood, Garmin's top-tier tech is at work. Multi-band satellite tracking allows this watch to pull data from multiple global systems like GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo simultaneously. That means stronger location accuracy, even in tricky environments like dense city blocks or deep forest trails, a game-changer for runners and cyclists who rely on precise data. But this device does more than track where you are. It monitors heart rate around the clock, analyzes sleep quality, keeps tabs on stress levels, and even includes female health tracking. Sleep data is broken down in detail, helping users understand how rest impacts recovery. It even tracks hydration, breathing, and overall energy, making it more of a wellness coach than just a tracker. One of the standout additions is the new training readiness tool. By analyzing sleep, stress, recovery, and heart rate variability, it gives you a daily score that helps you decide if you should go hard or take it easy. It's like having a coach checking in every morning. Another upgrade, real-time stamina tracking. During workouts, you'll see a live estimate of how much energy you've got left, helping you pace yourself and avoid burnout. That's a massive advantage, especially for long-distance events. For runners, there's even more to get excited about. The watch offers in-depth running dynamics, stride length, ground contact time, and vertical oscillation. Pair it with compatible sensors, and you'll gain biomechanical insights to help improve form and reduce injury risk. Multi-sport athletes aren't left out. With one-button transitions between swimming, biking, and running, it's ready for triathlons or brick workouts. It handles open water swim tracking, cycling power meters, and running splits without missing a beat. It's even optimized for race day transitions. Of course, it also covers smart features, text and call notifications, contactless payments with Garmin Pay, and onboard music storage for up to 2,000 songs. You can leave your phone behind and still stay connected and entertained. Battery life is another major selling point. Expect around 20 days in regular smartwatch mode, and up to 42 hours with GPS on. The built-in power-saving satellite tech balances accuracy and efficiency, so you're not left scrambling for a charger mid-adventure. All of this syncs seamlessly with the Garmin Connect app, where you can review your performance, track trends, build training plans, and share data with coaches or teammates. The app keeps improving too, adding even more tools to help users get the most from their data. And if you're looking to expand, the device supports a wide range of accessories: heart rate straps, cycling sensors, cadence trackers, and more, letting you go even deeper into your performance metrics. As for the price, sure, it's more expensive than an entry-level tracker, but that's because it's built for so much more. You're not just getting a pedometer, you're getting a complete performance system for serious athletes. In short, this watch isn't just smart, it's built to help you train smarter. From high-end GPS accuracy and advanced health monitoring to training readiness and triathlon features, it's one of the most complete tools Garmin has ever made. If you're chasing new personal bests, this might just be your new secret weapon.